Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SVG exports in Figma for web performance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Figma and navigate to your design file. Select the frame or component you want to export as an SVG. In the Properties panel on the right, locate the Export section. Click on the plus icon to add an export option. Select SVG from the drop-down menu. Click on the Export button. Choose a location on your computer to save the exported SVG file. Open your web browser and go to an SVG validation website. Upload the exported SVG file to the validation tool. Review the report generated by the tool. Check for any errors or warnings that may affect website performance. If there are issues, go back to Figma. Make necessary adjustments to your design. Re-export the SVG using the same steps. Repeat the validation process if required. Once verified, you can confidently use the SVG in your web project. This ensures optimal performance and compatibility across different browsers. Now you're ready to integrate your verified SVG into your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.